everyone, we're going to evaluate the following integral, and we're using U-Substitution. So the substitution I'm going to make, since we're dealing with tan and secant, we're going to let U equal tan x. Therefore, derivative of U would equal secant squared x dx. So we want to write everything in terms of tan, and then leave one of these so we can write our du. So let's simplify this as tan to the 4th power of x, and then I'm going to break this up as secant to the 4th power of x, and then times secant squared x dx. Now we have our secant squared dx. So what I want to further deal with is this secant. So we still have tan to the 4th power of x, and then we know that secant squared of x equals 1 plus tan squared of x through our Pythagorean identities. So that's going to be 1 plus tan squared of x. But since this is to the 4th, you're going to square this. That will give you your 4th. All right? And then we still have our secant squared x dx. Now that we have everything in terms of tan, except for our du part, let's substitute using u. Well, let's go ahead and do that. So we have u to the 4th, 1 plus u squared, and then this is just going to be du. So let's expand this further. So you have u to the 4th, and this part, if you, this is a plus b squared. So just write this as 1 minus 2, or 1 plus 2u squared plus u to the 4th du, and then we want to distribute the u to the 4th. So you're going to get u to the 4th plus 2u to the 6th plus u to the 8th du. Now I'm going to rewrite this and put it in right order. So this is really u to the 8th plus 2u to the 6th plus u to the 4th. Just write that in, the highest degree goes first. Now we can integrate. So let's just take this part, and you're going to get 1/9 u to the 9th plus 2u to the 7th, divide that by 7th, plus u to the 5th, divided by 5, so I'm just going to put 1/5, plus c. Now, as you recall, u was tan of x. So substitute this back in for all your u's. So you're going to get 1/9 tan to the 9th power of x plus 2/7 tan to the 7th power of x plus 1/5 tan to the 5th power of x plus c. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.